little playhouse. Happy Halloween. Boo! We don't want a witch's potion. Let's go. Boo! Let's put our potions now. Okay, so we're gonna make a potion that explodes with this stuff. First, this is the first thing we're gonna use. So we need some dragon food. So we put dragon food in there for the first ingredients. It's always gonna be the first ingredient, dragon food. So put some owl's tail in here. Just put a little bit of it. Maybe. That's enough. Now we're gonna put some magic dust. It's very magical. Lots of sprinkles everywhere. Let's put down. Now let's try some frog's breath. Whee! We got some in there. Okay, let's put the second thing. Okay, let's put this. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of this, and that's enough. Okay, let's put this down. Then we put a little magic owls in there and haunted stuff. Whee! So haunted. Let's put next. Let me see what we're gonna put next. Some dragon fruit. Whee! Dragon fruit. I love dragon fruit. Let's put some potiony stuff. I love potiony stuff. Let's see what's in there. Lots of fraud stuff and potiony stuff in there. Ooh, this is gonna make it explode, I see. Okay. Let's not put that much in there so it explodes. So this sprinkle. I love that. Now we're gonna put some more of that. So this is actually called unicorn's breath. So let's dump it in. Whee! Woo! Now we're gonna put one more ingredient, and then the special ingredients to make it explode. Ooh. Okay, we put that in now. Now we're gonna put the special ingredients. Oh! Dump the whole thing. Whoa, it's already exploding! Okay, let's put this special thing in. Woo! Now, bye! Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween. Now I'm gonna set your blood, so bye!